Hi everyone, my name is Paul Jurcys, and I am a lecturer at Vilnius University Faculty of Law in Lithuania. The release of ChatGPT has fundamentally changed how we live, teach, and learn. Today, I would like to share my experience from teaching a data privacy law course where we fully integrated AI tools, not only general LLMs, but also digital AI twins of us lecturers. It was an intensive course which we taught in the spring semester of 2024. It had almost 20 international master's program students where we explored legal and ethical dimensions of personal data in the digital age. The explosive proliferation of ChatGPT made us lawyers wonder, what knowledge should we teach future lawyers when black letter rules are available a keystroke away? And what skills matter most for legal professionals in the age of AI? So we decided to be bold and invited our students to use all AI tools as much as possible. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, whatever they want. Since our course was about law and technology, we wanted to make sure that students are aware of the latest trends and especially what the new wave of AI tools can and cannot do. So together with my teaching fellow, Goda, we also created our digital twins, Goda AI and Paul AI. How did we do that? Well, we used Prefina's platform to help us collect and organize our publications, course materials, and lecture slides, as well as other content into our secure, personalized knowledge bases, which is powered by LLM interface. So when students would ask Poly AI about a certain topic, let's say data privacy or copyright, things that I know most about, they would get answers based on my knowledge and my content that is provided to Digital Twin. So how did we introduce our digital twins? Well, at the beginning of the course, we told them, before you send me an email, talk to Poly AI. But as course progressed, we quickly understood and started encouraging students to use all AI tools to better prepare for their next lecture or augment their learning experience. The decision to make this course open to AI also forced us to completely reimagine the purpose of teaching and also identify what are those key takeaways we want our students to gain. We decided to split the course into two main parts. First, we dedicated our first 5 lectures to teach the foundational concepts of data privacy law from a unique and unconventional human-centric perspective. Then, instead of teaching selected specific data privacy topics such as privacy of medical data or payments data or targeted advertising in a traditional lecture-based format, we turned the table and asked our students to choose 12 topics or issues that they are most interested in. Then, students were divided into teams of 2 or 3 and tasked with collaborating with AI tools in a hackathon-style format. Specifically, we asked each of them, or each of the teams, to develop a legal or policy proposal addressing their chosen privacy issue. Or to create a business plan related to the use of specific category of data. Of course, we gave very specific requirements and guidelines to the students and also helped them to prepare for their presentations. But at the end of the day, we noticed that students actually enjoyed working in teams by themselves. This format relieved us, professors, from the intense burden of preparing for those demanding classes if we had kept the traditional format of the course. So having students present their work made the course more engaging, more exciting, and more interactive. After each presentation, we provided feedback. We not only commented on students' ability to spot issues and solve problems, but because AI tools were introduced, we had a set of new areas to explore. Namely, first, how students collaborated with each other, and how they collaborate with these new selected AI tools. Secondly, we explored the importance of critical and creative thinking, how to spot when AI makes mistakes or hallucinates, topics that lawyers are very much concerned of. And thirdly, we recognized the increasing significance of documenting the workflow of human AI collaboration. This was something new to all of us. The Open Twin and Open AI exam required students to apply the legal knowledge they learned in this course and collaborate with AI tools to solve specific problems. So we had also to reimagine the format of the exam. For example, one of the exam tasks requires students to test the limits of a selected AI tool for data privacy compliance gaps and write their reflections on their collaborative workflow. Not surprisingly, while we professors saved time during the course when students were preparing and making their presentations, we had much more work to do and had to work much harder when evaluating students' lengthy exam papers. Also, after assigning grades, together with Goda, my teaching fellow, we felt it was imperative to organize a post-exam feedback session for students. We reviewed exam answers and also how students showed their work with AI tools during the exam, rewarding their effort in solving exam assignments and also rewarding their creative thinking. What was this feedback from our students about the integration of AI tools? Most of them expressed a very strong preference for continuing to use AI in their future legal studies and careers. They see it as an inevitable and powerful tool that legal professionals must learn to harness. Expectations grew significantly as students gained hands-on experience with AI throughout the course. Many were quite unsure or skeptical at the beginning of the course, but they came to appreciate AI and its vast capabilities and potential. The overall experience can be summarized as interesting, enlightening, transformative, and enriching. And what do students say about teachers' digital twins? First, it seems that students trusted our digital twins more than generic chatbots. Maybe this is so because there is actual human behind the AI twin. Secondly, students felt that AI twins help them better prepare for in-person lectures and be more engaged in in-person class discussions. And finally, and most importantly, students reported decreased anxiety and stress because twins met students where they are. They could ask poly AI questions privately at any time without any fear of judgment. And the biggest lesson? AI literacy matters. Together, we learned that all AI tools are pre-programmed to perform certain tasks relatively well, but may fail at others. So understanding these limitations is the key. So we need to equip students with AI literacy skills to help them become successful professionals after graduation. Thank you very much. You can find more about our experiment in our forthcoming paper. And let's connect. I'm happy to answer questions, or maybe we should let Paul AI to answer them too. Thank you so much.